How to take a screenshot on Samsung. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually take a screenshot on your Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to take a screenshot on your Samsung phone, there are many ways. One is that you can simply look for the screen recording and screenshot tool over here. When you just go to it, you'll be able to simply take a screenshot of it. Now there are other times when you are on some kind of app or page and you want to take a screenshot. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of this. All you need to do is just locate the volume down button on your Samsung as well as the power button, and you just have to press the volume down as well as the power buttons together at the same time, and it will basically just take a screenshot for you, as you can see. Now if I want, I can go ahead and then crop this screenshot, or I can choose to delete it, or else do whatever I can, and you can repeat the process for any other screenshots that you might want to take on your Samsung phone. This is how you can simply take a screenshot on your Samsung phone. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.